So the best laptop for creators is available now. HP NV14 is launched, and this is something which is very exciting. I would like to share this exciting news with you guys. And this is really nice because HP has taken care of their creators. Now you can actually create your videos, your photographs and everything and edit right from the beginning. So in this channel I talk about latest technologies, latest inventions and many more. So welcome back to my channel. I am Vinay, and in this video we are going to talk about HP NV14 2021 edition, its features and why this laptop may be the best choice for you. So without further ado, let's start with the video. And if you are new to my channel, I would urge you to please subscribe and share my other videos because I make many cool videos regarding this. So this is the official HP website, and here I'm going to talk you through about the features. So basically this is one of the best laptops that you can get for creators. So if you are a creator and you want to carry your laptop with yourself and want no compromise by creating your stuff, then this is the one laptop that you should consider buying. HP NV14 laptop. It is 14-inch laptop from HP, and NV series is essentially known for Dell's XPS rival. So this is their premium segment of laptops for creators and content creators and other people. So for professional, not business people, but for professional, this laptop is really nice. It has very sleek design and it has 11% more screen to body ratio. So 14-inch display will give you 11% more screen for your productivity, and it will give you 16:10 aspect ratio. So it is spectacular true to life images. Now another thing is it has precision color. So sRGB is a wide color gamut, and that supports which delta less than 2 error accuracy and factory calibration right out of the box. You don't need any professional calibrator to calibrate your screen. It is already calibrated. Also it has anti-reflection display, so the best views around. So while you are sitting in front of the laptop, you won't get any kind of reflection that bothers your screen, so you will be able to use the laptop seamlessly. There are certain other things which I would like to talk about. So you can do whatever you want. So either you are a vlogger, you can do vlogging, so it supports vlogging, and it is designed for PR and PS, so Photoshop. So basically it has very powerful design system, and if you are vlogger, it supports many softwares inbuilt. Also if you are photo editing, yeah, or editors, so it also supports photo editing apps, so you can mark, easily retouch, edit and bring your photos to life in high resolution. This is really nice feature. Also if you are a YouTuber or any kind of professional video editor, you can use this laptop to actually edit 4K high resolution videos, and that also will feel fast and responsive because it has advanced graphics and a high performance processor. So one most important thing that I would like to talk about, that is it supports inbuilt dedicated graphics card, and we will talk about in details about that. And it will give you a lot of power. So it has 11th generation Intel Core processor and NVIDIA GTX 1650 Ti graphics. This is best in its class in mobile segment. It supports 13 around 45 hours of HD video streaming, 30 hours of HD video streaming, and it has very good battery life, and it is marked for Windows 10 Mobile Mark 18. Also it supports powerful connectivity, so it supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0. So here you got covered. And it has cooling system, so it will stay cool, calm and creative because it has infrared thermal sensor, a thin blade fans and heat pipes to keep your PC cool. So no matter how intense the editing or gaming is, your laptop will be stay cool for a longer period of time without any issues. Now let's talk about other features that this laptop supports. So it can be more creative. You can be more creative. You can connect it with your existing external monitors to get your best out of productivity. Also it has HP display control, which is calibrated color space presets for different creative scenarios. It has HP quick drop, that is you can share your content in between mobile and PC instantly over Wi-Fi, and network booster, so prioritize different creative apps based on your needs to improve throughput and latency. This is very important because you have the power to multitask your work and use different devices for different kind. Also it has Bang & Olufsen, which is B&O audio support, so they have dual speakers which work pretty well, because HP has already collaborated with B&O for quite a long time. I also own an HP laptop 15 Pavilion series that also supports B&O inbuilt laptop speakers, which runs pretty well and no issues there. Also, this looks very sleek, so design wise, body to screen ratio, it is perfect. There is nothing to worry about. Even keyboards look sturdy. The metallic that used is very great design and creativity. They have made essential many things that supports your laptop for quite a while. But be you, nobody's watching, so it has dedicated switch, camera shutter switch. So the visible camera shutter lets you really know that you are really in privacy mode. So in many laptops there are certain switches you can off the camera via software, but in reality you never know. What if some malware is actually intruding your laptop and it actually get access to your camera? Then what will you do? But here it has mute mic button, so you can real conversation killer, just press one button and your mic is cut off. This is very cool feature. Now let's talk about the ports, because this is something your laptop needs to be ready to connect with any device possible at the same time. So it supports audio combo jack, super speed USB type A, HDMI 2.0A, and well, Thunderbolt 4 with USB 4 type C. So this is really important. Also, the ports are located in very decent space, so you won't have any problem regarding accessing the port. These are available on both sides. Now let's talk about some of the features that you can do. So it supports 14-inch display, and there are also some gears that you may add like accessories. So it also have USB-C travel dock. If you want, you can get one, or also HP Spectre mouse you can get one, or HP Envy Urban Sleeve. So lot of features available now, and it is loaded with lot of features, and we will talk about many things. It can be customizable, you can customize according to your requirement. And in my honest opinion, I really like the laptop which also have dedicated graphics card, because nowadays if you want a dedicated gaming laptop, then it becomes very bulky and very big, like 15 to 16 inches, which is not good for creators, because you have to carry your work all the time, and heavy the device, the more difficult it is for you to carry your device. But now, since HP NV14 laptop have so much creativity and so much dedication in their designing and engineering aspect, that you actually can carry your laptop everywhere and yet you won't be disappointed. You can carry your work, you can edit, design on the go. So I am really happy that they have announced such a great device, and I am really looking forward, because it supports Windows 11, which is right around the corner, and also it has Intel Core i7 11th generation processors. So this is really good, so you don't have to worry about anything else. If you are a creator and you want to get laptop that supports you, this is the best laptop to get. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Also like and share my video if you like it. I make many videos. In the next video I will make about some other device which is available for you, and also you let me in the comment box what else do you want me to make, and I will help you any regarding any technical or any issues. So do ping me there. This is Vinay signing off. Bye.